Today we show you what artificial intelligence can do. We show you what Cologne looks like without cars.
We are here at the corner of Nord-Süd-Fahrt and Sicilian Street, where it goes to Newmarkt. A general problem in Cologne is that it's always difficult to make outdoor gastronomy, so beer gardens etc. It is now here a busy street and Sunday today. If it would be possible to come here now only purely with public transport, cabs and autonomous driving into the city center, then this place could look like this. You can see now that it would actually be nice to change the road surface here and then also to establish a corresponding outdoor gastronomy, which is actually difficult to do here at this point.
This is not a political discussion. We just tried this AI and found it just fun, and I would build mini golf courses everywhere or beach volleyball courts, so that you can be so sporty and that the youth can do something like that and more the old. This is a gimmick of ours, so please don't misunderstand.
The next place we want to look at is here at the Newmarkt. And this is about the setting, and if you would hear the whole thing accordingly traffic calming, then you can now first show how then the whole thing changes here. So the street, the signs, etc., these things take out. And then what you could do with it. Namely that you could establish sporting activities here, or that would establish themselves like BMX riding, or parkours, etc. Yes, it is amazing how it all works. And we are already at the third example, and namely here in the File Street or Rudolph Square here opposite the Hannen Gate. And also that could be redesigned accordingly, if you look at it. Here is already gastronomy, but of course they can be much more intensive, and also the whole environment could be redesigned, and then the whole thing would look like this. A few meters further, example number 4, the Hohenzollern Ring and just the rings. There one has already done something with bicycle lanes. Previously, they were 4-lane, but there you could of course also make a lot and here the appropriate redesign. This is how it looks before. And so it could look then. Here times with a watercourse here below drives indeed a subway, but the watercourse does not need to be deep and accordingly much one could make here from the environment. Again a few meters further example number 5, and we are here in the Ehren Street corner Friesenwall, and this corner we have now completely different redesign. And have made it a sculpture park. Such things are also possible, of course. One has then much more possibilities for monuments and sculptures open air. The sixth example, the so-called WDR Arcaden. You can also see the mouse. And here you can now of course also do something with outdoor gastronomy. But here in the right area, something has also been done with sports, and you can see here again how you can redesign the whole thing. It's really impressive how you can do a complete redesign in several steps with this AI, and that brings us to the seventh and last example. Here on the side of the Cologne Central Station and on the side of the Cologne Cathedral there is a street system that is surrounded by higher levels. This could also be redesigned accordingly in here. For example, a large fountain would offer itself and the whole, then of course also differently paved and accordingly greened, and already this place looks completely different. We hope you enjoyed our funny little video.
We have played with the AI and maybe we play even more with the AI, and I've heard, by the way, for Cologne bands, because we are just here in Cologne, somebody has tried to write songs of the AI for Brings and another group, and they are probably also quite good.
So we will probably have to get used to AI and use sensibly. You can certainly do a lot with it, but it will also change a lot, and yes, that will change the future. Take a look at the whole thing and leave comments there. See you then. Bye.